Good morning, y'all. I'm up early. It's Sunday morning. I'm about to go meet up with the homie Trey. About to get these videos going up. About to wash our car. And then hopefully, I'll probably buy another subwoofer speaker, to be honest, because my shit blew out. And I lost my my receipt for like to go to downtown and shit. I think that shit was cheap, to be honest. But I lost my receipt, so I'm like, fuck. I need my speakers, bro. Like, I converted. Like once I did the speakers, I can't drive with regular speakers. I'm sorry. So I'll probably hit at Best Buy and probably buy some like affordable ones, to be honest, and just do it myself. Can't be too hard to connect some subwoofers, but nonetheless, cold start. Yeah. Yeah, I got the digital dash. But yeah, about to wash our cars right now. I'm gonna try to like see if I could take out some soil marks, which I probably don't got time, but I do got time, but I don't have time. Does that make any sense? Shout out 3D though, Christian Guzman, if you're watching my video, sponsor your boy. But yeah, man, Sunday morning. It's my Friday. Finally got some days off. You feel me? Stizzy. Yeah. Get the morning started right. Oh, god damn. Yeah. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next clip, and then we'll get this vlog popping. Also, quick question. Comment down below, like, what is your morning routine? Like, besides that, you know, taking a shit and all that, you know, that's common sense. But what's your morning routine? Like, how do you get your morning going? Like, what gets you up? What gives you that? What gives you that energy? What gives you the drive to do what you do every morning? I don't know what you do, but like, what motivates you to get up every single day and keep pushing forward? You know what I mean? Because a lot of you guys are probably like me. Like, I come from an immigrant family, and like, they just gave me the best life they can possibly give me, you know, with the tools they had, and it's up to me to use those tools and build a dynasty, build a castle, whatever analogy, build a building with those tools, you know what I mean? And I'm 26 years old, and like, age is nothing but a number, but like, I already wasted enough time before growing. I'm the oldest one in my family. I have a little bro. And this is not an excuse, but I just never had an older brother or sister to guide me and tell me, and you know what I mean? Like, I never had an older sibling, pretty much. So I'm kind of like experimenting everything by myself with what I know and like the people around me, and like, I don't know. But before I start rambling, because I have to catch myself, let me know in the comment below, like, what gets you up every morning, what motivates you, what are your goals, all this, you know? Like, I want to interact with people and make a connection and make a difference, and if I can help somebody else with their day, like, that'll be so awesome to me, you know what I mean? Because my problems are my problems, but other people are going through other problems, and maybe my videos can help. And yeah, it is what it is. Back, like I said. So this is Trey's charger. Hey, what's your YouTube channel? Because there's two different ones. I don't know which one you're using. Well, let me introduce you to. This is Trey.
Yeah, we going with Trey's World, man. Hell yeah.
Trey's World, alright. Well, give me the link, bro. Keep it, bro. Hey, this shit gonna be raw, bro. So watch what the fuck you say.
You know, hell yeah, that's the signature.
But yeah, this is a Charger RT Hemi. You see the Hemi? You see the badge? Shout out Tim, since he got a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this shit was a charcoal gray. I already liked the color before this. I thought this car was dope already. But damn, he got a wrap. He got a matte red wrap with the powder coated black gloss wheels. Lowered it on.
Black on the
oh yeah, black on the fishtail on the top.
Powder coated the rims.
The rims.
They were great too.
Yeah, you explain this shit. I'm over here talking to you. Yeah. Talking for you.
You already know, man. It ran me like 3 G's, but you know that we gonna keep that on the hush. You feel me? Yeah. Drug money, you know. Normal day in paradise.
Hey.
Hell yeah.
Don't listen to the last part. I'm gonna have to put a little behind that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna record Mr. Organic's voice, bro, and I'm gonna start using it for sound effects.
Yeah, a little sleepy.
But yeah, let me do a walk around in my car since I haven't really done one. Same thing, red exterior with the red coupe, with the muffler delete. Like I said, I got the red wheels the homie gave me. Honda tune.
You didn't even compliment my half a beard.
Oh, I didn't even see it.
This nigga nice, hell yeah. This nigga even compliment your boy. Damn, old ass bum and shit, hell yeah.
I got the organic beard. That shit look nice.
Nah, hell, not fucking with me.
Hell yeah. Hey, I'm a do got a nice beard though.
Hey, dude, that's why I'm hating on him, hell yeah.
But yeah, I got the engine intake. Got the engine intake. Sheesh. We gotta see a race between these two cars. Gotta see the race. But yeah, I'm gonna start detailing the car. Put a little time lapse and then yeah. Shit, see you when I see you. Alright, so as you saw from the time lapse, just got done washing the whips. Didn't do the best job, but it was better than what it looked like. You feel me? Little wash. Still got swirl marks. Next week we're gonna detail this shit and try to take off the swirl marks and see what's up, you know? But yeah, we're about to go to Best Buy right now and see if I can buy a new subwoofer. I need that shit. 50 bucks. I don't want to spend 50 bucks, but shit, what we work for, you know? I need my speakers. I'm hanging out with my little bro and my girl tomorrow, so I wanna give them a cool experience in the car, you know, with traffic. And yeah, look at the homie's whip. That motherfucker look clean. Like I said, we gotta get a race between these two right here. His is completely stock with the intake. Mine's is the intake and a tune. I know, but still though, look at the size difference.
See, this is how that receipt looks.
Yeah, I know how it looks, dude. I just can't find it.
This is just the amp, though.
Damn. You could have let me borrow this shit if you could find because we got the same exact speaker.
Oh yeah, could do that.
But yeah, I'm mad because now I gotta buy another one. You see the tear right there? I gotta buy another one, man. Couldn't find the receipt. Oh well, that's what I get. Exactly what I get. It's probably somewhere in my car, to be honest, but I already checked everything and couldn't find it. So clean this shit out.
Hey, Taco Bell?
Yeah. Alright. We'll hit you up at Taco Bell.
Private investigator.
Alright, so I'm back, y'all. I got the speaker. I forgot to bring the camera inside Best Buy, but I'll show you guys the speaker I got. It's in the trunk right now. I'm gonna try to god damn, I was like this shift. I'm gonna try to install it by tomorrow morning, but low key, like, also started today. Like, I still got like 2 hours so I go to work. So if I could get done by 3:30, I got time. I'm gonna try to start today, cause like I said, I'm hanging out with my little bro and my girl tomorrow, and my speakers blew, and like we're low-key gonna go probably far. Cause like I like to go on adventures like outside of LA. I'm tired of LA. There's really nothing much to do around here. Everything's so packed. It's horrible. I don't care about wasting gas, you know? Fuck it. What the fuck I work for? I love my car. So like I wanna like make sure that, you know, I got my sound system. Like that shit's dope. So hopefully it works. Hopefully I got the right speaker, dude. Like I asked the guy at Best Buy, did he know? He didn't know. I kind of just went off based off of Google, and it seems like I got the right specs for this shit, you know what I mean? But I mean, I don't know. What's up, fool? Yeah. I don't know. I just seen somebody looking at me with the camera. What's up? You feel me? But yeah, just dropped out the homie Trey. He's about to go work out, and hopefully it records him. Ain't be lagging, man. You better get your camera up, boy. But yeah, damn, Damn, look at this shit. People are stupid, man. I swear to God, people are dumb. Yeah, the motherfuckers be getting mad and shit when we talking shit, man. Look at this shit. Niggas don't know. I'm sorry. People don't know how to park, bro. Like, what the fuck? It might bad if I be saying the N-word. Like, I'm so used. I grew up in the hood my whole life. Not an excuse, but that's how I talk. I don't mean it in a disrespectful way. I mean it with love. And clearly, like one of my best friends, probably my best friend. Not probably, he is my best friend. He's black, you feel me? So, he's black, so like, you feel me? Clearly, I'm not racist. But yeah, I'm rolling down Slauson right now. Flossing on Slauson. Shout out Nipsey. R.I.P. man. No, don't get me started on Nipsey, man. It's probably my biggest influence in life, dude. Like, I really believe in this marathon shit, and like right now I just want to grind, dude, and work, and put my, set myself up. Like, I'm trying to get my own spot. Like, I'm low-key, like, highly considering going to Vegas, to be honest with you, and like trying to get a job out there in the airport and get a better life, dude. Like, I was looking at apartments. I don't want to live in the hood. I grew up in the hood my whole life. I don't want to live in this shit. Like, it's like $1,500 a month to live out here in a shitty apartment. Like, I don't want to do that. I could literally go to Vegas and have a fucking condo for $1,500 a month. You know, not that I will do that, because I'm stupid. I'll save as much money as I can, but I want to have something decent. Like, shout out DJ Ghost, man. Like, he grew up in the village. You know what I'm saying? Like, in the Ville, like. If you know, you know about this place. You know what I mean? Like, everybody who grew up in the 60s knew somebody at the village. Everybody. I don't give a fuck. You knew somebody who stayed at the village. Like, village was the shit. The village was, that shit was lit, man. Man, growing up, that motherfucker was there. Let me not get started, man. That boy was a fucking savage. But anyways, yeah, back to the speaker shit. But yeah, I'm trying to go to Vegas and like see what's up. So at the end of the month, like, I'm gonna go out there with my girl and like we're gonna go look at some apartments and get the ball rolling, you know, see what's up, see if we can take some tours and see if I'm taking that leap of faith. You know, it's only a 4-hour drive, and if I work at the airport, hopefully I get an airline job. You know, I could just fly out. It's a 40-minute flight. I can still visit my family, my homies, my friends, my family, everybody, you know. But yeah, we'll get back. Alright, so this is the sub I got. It was 50 bucks at Best Buy, and this how it look. I had the MTX audio with the ported box, I guess you can say, the 1500 amp. This is what happened. That shit melted. Like, what the hell? I remember it smelled like something was burning, but damn. Wait, we about to install this. Hopefully this video comes out good, you know, but I'll get to you back as I install it, alright? Yeah, it worked. About to set it up right now. So happy. Yeah, so it's coming along. Hopefully all the screws line up, and hopefully this one lasts me. But damn, not bad though. It sounded cool too. The Kenwood. Got the ground shaker damn. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, it came out good. All within. That's the old one right here. This shit is burnt out. Damn, it's crazy. But yeah, about to tighten this shit up. I lost the screws. Oh fuck. Oh, it's right here. The test. Wait up. Big Zeus. You already know this motherfucker slap. We gotta do the car test. Car test. Ooh.
Hey, shut your range. Running up the bands, man, it's more stay out the way. She like, so for me, I catch ain't about the blues, get the fuck up on my face, bitch. Man, I ain't got no time to waste. To the bank, put the hundreds out the chase. These bitches, friends, they around when you got